Every day, thousands of scams are circulated designed to trick and pressure you into making quick decisions. ScamShield is here to better help you protect against scams. On the ScamShield website, you can find a trove of resources and trusted information that can equip you with the knowledge to spot red flags, enhance your confidence in spotting scams early, and tickle your scammy spidey sense. On the ScamShield website, you can also check if something is a scam through a chatbot. The chatbot makes it easy to spot potential scams. Simply click on the scam signs you've encountered and it will help identify what type of scam you might be dealing with. To keep up to date with trending scams on the go, our ScamShield Alert social channel is here to keep you informed 24/7. The channel is always updated with the latest scam trends. You'll know what new scams are circulating even before they reach you. By always being in the know, you are better protected against scams. ScamShield becomes part of your daily routine, helping you recognize red flags and prevent you from getting scammed. When you are unsure if something is a scam, take a moment to check. ScamShield is here to help you fight scams so you never have to face scams alone. Visit scamshield.gov.sg to enhance your scam knowledge and subscribe to ScamShield Alert social channel to stay informed. With ScamShield, you can better protect yourself against scams.